In one night, an earthquake shattered the lives of thousands of families. Leaving nothing behind but broken buildings and broken dreams. Not only were people's homes completely wiped out, but also their mosques, religious schools, and centers, leaving some of the most senior scholars of our times without the means to teach, Muslims without a place to learn, orphaned children without guidance, and many with faith shaken.
عشرات من طلاب العلم والعلماء والدعاة وطلاب العلم الذين درسوا عندنا في معهدنا، بعضهم أطفال قد حفظوا القرآن الكريم، قد انتقلوا إلى جوار ربهم.
في هذه المرحلة تتعرض الأمة الإسلامية لفقدان علمائها ولفقدان التراث الإسلامي، وهذا له أثر مدمر على الأجيال القادمة.
هذا بالإضافة إلى وجود جيل كبير من الشباب والأطفال وخاصة الأيتام ممن فقدوا أهاليهم ومعلميهم وموجهيهم. فحاجة الأمة الآن إلى إنشاء مراكز للعلم والدعوة والتربية كحاجتها تماماً إلى الإغاثة وتأمين المأوى والغذاء والدواء للمتضررين والمنكوبين.
ماذا عسانا أن نفعل؟ هل نستذكر طلاب العلم الذين فقدناهم؟ أم نتحسر ونتأسف على العلماء الذين فقدناهم أيضاً؟ لابد أيها الأحبة أن نبدأ بالبناء.
With SeekersGuidance's decades of experience in disseminating Islamic knowledge and our deeply rooted ties with scholars and institutions in the affected region, we are on a mission to establish a world-leading Islamic center in the heart of Turkey.
With your support, the SeekersGuidance Istanbul Center will serve as a beautiful, holistic space that connects senior scholars with seekers of knowledge and guidance to ensure that Islamic learning is always free. It will help us further develop our youth program so that the youth who have been most deeply affected by recent events have clear access to knowledge, guidance, and mentorship. And finally, it is our commitment to facilitate female scholars, a center that, in these apparently difficult, dark, and challenging times, serves as a beacon of hope, of clarity. Support us in this and give generously. Jazakumullah khairan.